Hello everybody and welcome to our FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the FbCadCam application using the layer tool. The color and layer tool is also select your color that anything you want. Then at the same time you can also deselect the color and hide the color and the line of it. You can deselect this you can uncheck this box to hide your lines or your objects with the colors. For example, I want to create a circle, then I want to change this to sky blue, for example. So to change the line from white to sky blue, then select first the circle, then change it to color sky blue, as you can see in this video. So it changes to sky blue. So if I want to change it to red, I want to create another circle, then it also paint it red in my circle line. So as you can see, so to hide the color of your circle, just for example, I just want to hide this sky blue, then I just want to disable the this checkbox here in the sky blue color. Then when I press the uncheck box, then it hides my outer circle and the sky blue circle of it. Then if I want to change it back, just check it again so that it shows again the sky blue. So the same is the same thing as the red tool. So the same thing as the red tool, if you select the color sky blue color, then if you disable this color, then it hides also the red color in the base circle. So I think that's the purpose of the layers and the colors of it. So that's for this video. I hope you learn a lot. Leave a like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.